Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on shopping with Kohl's Cash easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have your Kohl's Cash available for use. Visit the Kohl's website or open the Kohl's app on your device. Browse through the available items and select what you want to purchase. Add the items to your shopping cart. Once you've finished shopping, proceed to checkout. At the checkout page, sign in to your Kohl's account or create a new one if necessary. Look for the section labeled Kohl's Cash during the payment process. Enter your Kohl's Cash coupon code in the designated field. Review the total amount after applying your Kohl's Cash. If you have additional discounts or promo codes, you can apply them here as well. Choose your preferred payment method to complete the purchase. Make sure to check your order summary to confirm the final price. If you have leftover Kohl's Cash, note the expiration date for future use. Complete your order by clicking the Confirm button. Your items will be processed for shipping or pickup as per your selection. Keep an eye out for your confirmation email detailing your purchase. Now you're ready to enjoy your shopping savings with Kohl's Cash. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.